It all started in 1983 when my family created Mastercam to control state-of-the-art CNC machines cutting 2D parts in geometry. It seems so simple now, but this was pioneering technology at the time. Looking back, it's clear that our entrepreneurial spirit led us to having the right idea at the right time, and we tapped into a revolution in manufacturing. Today, as we celebrate 35 years and our 250,000th installation of Mastercam, it's clear that our success has always been tied to our customers. From the very beginning, we've listened to customer feedback and it's never steered us wrong. Their requests drive our team's innovation and to help us deliver an industry-leading product to tackle the toughest manufacturing jobs. And the strength of the Mastercam community plays an important role in our customer success. From automotive to aerospace to energy, from medical to music and education. When you become a Mastercam customer, you gain access to one of the strongest networks in the business. Our users are not just making parts and products, they are shaping the future of manufacturing. After 35 years, we're still family-owned and operated, committed to manufacturing innovation and helping our customers succeed. And to commemorate this banner year and the people that have made it all possible, we've launched a new initiative called Masters of Cam. This is a place for all of us to connect, share our stories, spark new ideas, and celebrate the community of Mastercam users that are shaping the future of manufacturing. Visit mastersofcam.com to share your story.